Yo. Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am going to be on a police shift. But, this is my first time being a police officer. And, this is... Okay, wait, hold on. Wrong door? Wait, no, this is the holding cells. I'm sorry, I'm new to this place. Oh my god. What the... Whose police car is this? I don't know if it started or not. But here's my car right here. And I am going to be patrolling. Actually, let me get a jump. What is it called? Start. There we go. Oh, I actually locked it. Hold on. Okay, never mind. I can't do one of those. Let's just do it from here. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but that's the good start y'all got. And yes, this is a police car if you can't tell. Just hold up. Let me hop out the car. Let me show you guys. I know I'm yapping a lot right now, but that's what I usually do. This is just look right there between the bridge. I mean, outside of the bridge logo. That and okay, let's get going. Oh wait, I just got a text. Not a text. Dispatch rate from the radio. And I need to check out a house. So we're gonna head there now and see what is going on. Okay, there we go. Oh shoot, over the curb a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm not a good driver. I gotta turn around anyway. To get over there. Yeah, let me turn on my lights so people know I'm coming through. Let's do a little burnout. Oopsie, over the curb a little bit. That's alright. And then we turn on my phone. And let's go. Actually, the signs are a little loud. I'm gonna turn them off. Maybe after this I'll get a promotion because I'm only one good call away from getting a promotion, my boss said. Okay, we're almost there. Which house is it? I don't know which house it is. Oh wait, never mind, it's this one. Just so I can escape fast enough. Okay. Let me go knock on the door. Okay. Knock, knock, knock. Anyone there? Okay, I don't think anyone's there. Let me just go back. Oh wait, I just got a text from my boss that I'm meeting him at the station, like ASAP. And sometimes that means good, sometimes that doesn't. But most of the time, it doesn't mean good. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, at least I saved myself from crashing into the building. Uh-oh. Also, sorry for not uploading, guys. Like, YSO content, I haven't played YSO in a while, so I just haven't uploaded a YSO video in a while. Okay, guys, because I'm gonna just park there. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done talking to my boss. Okay, guys, so I was just told I did a good job on that call, so I am getting a promotion, and he told me to check the garage, and what it was in that garage was crazy. Wait, is this the right one? Yes, this is, I think. He told me to look in the garage for my new promotion car. Oh my god, it's a beauty, bro. Let me grab the key. We're gonna start it from up here. It might be really loud. Okay, never mind, it didn't work. Let me just get in the car. Ow! My knee. That hurt, ow. Why'd I do that? Okay, hold up. Let me open the door. Gonna hit the thing. The wall. There. Let me get in. And let's see this thing in action. Ooh. Oh wait, this one has a spotlight now. The other one doesn't. This is fire. Well, I mean, it is also an undercover one, so it wouldn't have the spotlight. But okay, I am going to end my shift now. I hope you guys all have a great day, night, whenever you're seeing this, evening. Like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you guys want, like what content you guys want to see, and I will see you. Bye.